Today we're making a ravioli and meatball dinner with a 5-ingredient sauce in 20 minutes in the air fryer. Let's go. Start by throwing a pan into your air fryer and preheating it to 400 degrees. Now grab a container of small sweet tomatoes and slice them in half. Pro tip, sandwich them between 2 lids and slice once. You're welcome. Toss those into a bowl with a 1/4 cup of chopped basil, 1 to 2 cloves of grated garlic, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 1/2 tablespoons of olive oil, and mix it up. Now grate some Parmesan or Pecorino onto a plate. Grab 2 sausages, remove the casings, cut each into 4 pieces, and roll them into balls. Then roll them into that cheese so they look like that coconut Christmas cookie. Pull out your hot pan, tomatoes going first, meatballs on top. Back into the air fryer at 400 degrees for 5 minutes. Now take everything out and mash those tomatoes down into a quick sauce. Now add your ravioli into a single layer and spoon that tomato mix over the top so nothing dries out. Then add your meatballs back into the air fryer for 15 minutes. Halfway, flip those meatballs and spoon some of that liquid anywhere that looks dry. Back in and look at that. Plate it up, hit it with more cheese, and you're done. A full ravioli and meatball dinner in 20 minutes with fresh ingredients. That's definitely an air fryer win. Now hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.